I am at Geysir, and this is a landmark that you have to do no matter if you're doing a tour or not. Sometimes people do Icelandic road trips and you see the steam coming up from the ground right behind me. It's because we're on a volcanic hotspot. This is stop 2 of the tour, and this is so cool. Just throughout the entire area, you have the steam rising up, but they have the actual geyser that we're gonna head to that every 7 to 11 minutes shoots the steam into the air. So it's gonna be so cool. Also, you see there's hiking trails all around. You can hike up there. These aren't actually mountains, they're hills, but if you're doing one of the road trips, you can spend literally like 7-8 hours just doing all the hiking here. But right before this, I was wearing 2 sweatshirts. Now you see I am in short sleeves, and that has to do with the steam. It's actually really hot around here. Like, I'm borderline sweating right now. You feel it coming onto you. You smell the sulfur as well from it coming out. Steam reaches the temperatures between 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. So 190 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my God, yeah, don't go near it. Contrast 200-degree water. And then way out there, you have the snow on top of the mountain. All the people are just waiting around with their cameras out, waiting for this to go off. Whoa! That's awesome. Oh my God. I got that on video too. So right here is the actual spot of the geyser, and it just went off. It goes off like boom, and then it lasts for like 4 seconds, but it's cool. You see the steam shoot into the air, and then it kind of fizzles out. How awesome was that? The fact that it just shooted up. Well, let me tell you, you have the one that's right here as well. This is the real geyser. They call it Geysir. And this one actually goes off every like 2 to 3 weeks. Apparently they're able to tell beforehand based off, it causes like mini earthquakes, so they have seismographs in there, and then the park will come out and tell everyone. And apparently, from what I've heard, someone please fact check in the comments, shoots 400 feet in the air. That's crazy. I'm very close to the geyser. You see, I'm still roped in, so I'm not trespassing anywhere. But you see the layer of water right above it, and you see how it's boiling and the steam coming up. It's so awesome, and I love the turn, and you're still getting the expansive landscape around here. Just nothing but wilderness looking out, and something you see that across the entire park. Small little one that's right behind me, that's little geyser, and it doesn't actually explode, but you could see it with the bubbling water. Touching the water that was right alongside here, it wasn't hot at all. It was like warm, but by the steam, that's where it's boiling. Hey guys, this was all part of my Golden Circle video on Iceland, so click here to watch it. If you're going on the Golden Circle tour, you absolutely need to watch that. I assume you're staying in Reykjavik, so check out this video on Reykjavik right here.